Brad Biznett here with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Jody from Vac-Con. Jody, we've known each other for a while now.
Yes.
We've got the VJ750, and I know you know your stuff. Let's hear about it.
Well, you know, it's a great machine. Right off the bat, it's a great machine. As you can see, it's really low profile.
Sure.
Even a guy like me with some height advantage or disadvantage, however you want to look at it.
You and me both.
I can see over it, makes it really safe. And that's a big thing to us. We want it to be safe so those operators, regardless if they're up here doing something or if they're in the back, they're safe. And that's really important in this industry, and we need to make sure that you can see we have a fully enclosed power unit, and that's a big deal for us because it protects that engine from the elements. We've got a really good water pump here by Giant with standard on our units. We can do all kinds of configurations from an 18 at 4 up, 25 at 4, 40 at 2, 30 at 3. We'll build it as it needs to be built for you. Tandem axle trailer, 7,000 pounds each axle. So we make sure that it's a really tough built trailer. It's going to handle any kind of load that's put on it. And that's what you're going to see. You're going to see how well the trailer is built. I mean, it's structural steel tubing. It's going to last a lifetime. It is huge.
And you said, I know we're standing in front of the tandem axle trailer, but I saw a truck mounted unit as well.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, we do a truck mounted unit, so we can put pretty much the same unit right here. We just mount it on a custom made subframe that goes on a chassis. We can do it on, as long as we meet certain specifications like truck, we can mount it. It's not a problem. We love to do it.
Okay, and I know Vac-Con's always thinking about the end user.
Absolutely.
So let's go take a look at the back.
Great.
Talk about simplicity for me.
Absolutely. So here, one of the big things around here, you're going to see fully rotating hose reel, really easy to rotate. It doesn't matter your strength, your age, whatever.
Okay.
And you're going to notice that it's really simple to use. I mean, we can teach somebody in 5 minutes how to run this machine. So we've got, water on. We can do all kinds of options. We can do our clutch up here. We can do the throttle up and down here. We can tone anything that we need to do. We can do a wireless. We've got all kinds of options available. Okay. So we really work hard to make it as easy to operate and still be able to hit every function that any customer might need.
Okay, excellent. I'm hearing usability and flexibility from Vac-Con. Where can somebody go for more information?
Absolutely. You can go to our website at Vac-Con, www.vaccon.com, or you can contact your local dealer.
Awesome. Thanks. Good seeing you again.
Thank you, Brad. I appreciate it.
Take care.
Thank you.